Hi, I'm JT from Sony. Want to make sure your soundbar sounds the best it can? In the past, optical was the standard connection and it worked great. But now, HDMI is the new standard, offering some sizable benefits over what we're used to with optical. Let's walk you through the differences. First, let's show you what optical and HDMI have in common. They both transmit higher quality audio than the standard analog or red and white connection we may have seen. As well, they both transmit surround sound or multi-channel audio like Dolby Digital. But just as TVs have improved from standard definition to high definition to 4K and Ultra HD, surround sound has made improvements in both quality and immersion. Today, movies and streaming use high quality formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Not only are these higher resolution, meaning they offer more detail and clarity than Dolby Digital, but they also offer more immersion, as surround sound not only moves around you, but it moves above you as well. And this is something optical simply can't do. If you use an optical connection to your soundbar, you'll still be able to watch these movies. However, you'll be missing out on all the cool surround effects that these new formats can do. Optical supports up to both Dolby Digital and DTS Digital Surround. However, both those formats premiered in the early 1990s. We want to make sure your surround sound experience matches the cutting-edge picture of today's TVs. The reason why optical can't do these more advanced formats is it simply doesn't have the bandwidth to pass all that information from your movie or your streaming service to your soundbar. Another benefit of HDMI is a feature called CEC, or Consumer Electronics Control. This allows your supported soundbar to be controlled from your Sony TV remote. You can adjust the volume, power on and off, even select inputs with simply your TV remote control. This isn't possible with an optical connection. Lastly, HDMI also features 4K video pass-through, while optical can't. This has two key benefits. The first, it frees up an HDMI input on your TV and simplifies your cable management. Simply connect your device, such as a Blu-ray player or a gaming console, to the HDMI input on your compatible soundbar. Then, the HDMI connection between your soundbar and your TV passes video up to the TV while the soundbar handles the audio. This isn't possible in optical because optical can't transmit a video signal. The second benefit is putting uncompressed audio like Dolby Atmos and DTS:X directly to the soundbar. This is ideal if your TV is a little bit older and doesn't have an enhanced ARC or eARC connection. So I hope you've learned why HDMI is the better connection than optical for your soundbar. If you'd like more information on this technology or any Sony products, please be sure to check the link below for one-on-one consultations to speak to a Sony expert like myself. I'm JT, thanks for watching.